we're off. We are just departing right now my parents' place here on Quadra Island. Meg and I are going to just stay on the island tonight, sleep in Betty, and then we're going to cross over to Vancouver Island tomorrow, slowly make our way to the border, and then sail over to Port Angeles and then drive the Olympic Peninsula. So we're starting out on our journey, which is pretty exciting. And first order of business is we're gonna go and steal some water. Well, I already managed to soak my leg stealing water, so I guess it serves me right. That's heavy. Success. This is one thing that we haven't actually used yet. I was waiting for water. We got one of these little 12-volt pumps. Ew. Easy peasy. That's a very wet leg. Fun? You want to do it? Yeah, tight squeeze.
This is a nice spot.
Yeah, the stoke is pretty high. We may have found our spot for the evening. It's nothing really special. It's just the side of the road. But we've got a great view and nothing but time to kill. Yeah. So I think we're going to do that. Yeah. There's an echo out here. Hey! You! No, you! Don't talk to me like that! Freaking guys. Neighbors. Making drinks for the first time in Betty. The setup. So Meg has done all the organizing in the van. And now attempting to find where the heck the hot chocolate is.
It's no small feat.
Important moment. First meal being made in Betty while I edit videos.
Instant noodles.
Instant noodles.
First of many.
This is what living simply is, right?
Alright, first time putting the bed out. I mean, not actually the first time, but this is the first time with us both in here. So this is going to be interesting. Also, one downside to a not a high top van is us tall people here kind of struggle a little bit. Like so. And then ta-da! I was probably just filming my ass the whole time.
Bed
right?
mode. Oh, it's so nice.
So nice in here, huh?
Yeah.
And just like that, we now have a nice queen size bed. Or double bed. It's a double.
Oh, that's nice. It's real nice. We done good.
Yeah. First sleep. You didn't?
Hey, you sleep off.
Excellent.
Yes.
So cozy.
So cozy.
So cozy.
Well, I would say that the first night in the van was a resounding success. We stayed nice and toasty warm despite it being a little bit chilly here. This spot that we picked on the side of the road, only saw like 3 cars go by last night. It's quiet and it's beautiful. And a great start to our journey. We'll leave the island today and go to Vancouver Island. Go see Todd. Good old Todd. Hey Todd. One thing that I'm immensely excited about in this van is my editing space. I edited an entire video there last night in comfort, and Meg got to go and read on the bed, and I'm just absolutely thrilled that I now have an editing space that I can work at while on the road. Donkey, 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 donkey.
The master
The master
is
of
going to
disaster.
show us how it's done.
Okay, so I've got a pulley system up here. What that does is it just pulls up the center of the bed, and then you got to push quickly. The design is not perfected, so it's a little bit clunky. You just go like this. Oh!
That makes me feel a little bit better. That he didn't get it his first try at least.
It is a little bit of a different beast with all the weight of the bedding on there.
Just a slight condensation problem.
No big deal. That's just BC life.
It's a gloomy day.
It's windy out there.
So we're on our way to meet Todd, and he's given us some GPS coordinates. And we've driven way up the side of a mountain, and I think there's going to be pretty good views. And yep, I'm excited.
There's some snow up there.
Hello! We've reached our spot for the night.
And we're going for a walk. Oh, this rock's pretty cool.
Look at that rock! Look at the rock! Oh my word, look at the rock!
It's shiny.
It's shiny?
Yeah, look, it's shiny. How much more Pacific Northwest does it get?
I don't know. Maybe if it was raining harder.
Get off that thing.
Watching Todd.
We are officially in the cloud. What a view.
I'm not in the cloud, I'm in my clothes. Bun up. Hey Meg, do you think that we should come up here instead?
I'm scared.
Nah, you're fine. This is worth it. We've been on this little walk just up one of the logging spurs further up the mountain. We found a really cool spot, but it's super exposed, and there's some water bars that we'd have to drive through with Betty. Betty's a two-wheel drive and she's not as high as what we're used to, or at least what I'm used to. So I think we're gonna try for it and see what happens. If we make it, the payoff is pretty great, right? Yeah.
What a breeze!
Got it.
I was scared.
Yeah?
Well, I wasn't scared when you started, but geesh, this guy.
Well, we made it to our spot pretty easily actually, so I'm stoked on that. Got a beautiful view of the mountains, the snow-capped mountains. Happy to be here. Just waiting for Todd now. Todd just made it! Woo! Yeah! Now that's a rig! Hey dude! Yeah! So good!
Yeah, right through the winter.
Great.
And then I've been living under the back of my truck for 2 years.
Uh-huh.
Since January of 2021, I think.
Oh, you're more hardcore than us.
I was just living in the cab with a tarp out the back.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, I know, right? So, but, you know, it's okay. It just makes you harder in a good way. There it is.
Nice.
That's basically it.
Cool, I like the lights.
Right?
Yeah.
Travels. I met this guy the other day.
First time with the induction top.
Woo! What you cooking? Good looking.
Curry.
Yes. Delicious. Very smells so good. Oh, we got some delicious curry here. Meg has made.
Yummy.
And we got Todd in here.
Yay!
Woo!
Hi. Good morning. Good morning.
Gotta remember, I can't put things on my stairs.
Don't put things on your stairs, Todd.
It's a bad idea. Hello.
Hello.
3 hours later.
The bells are ringing.
Hi, Justin Trudeau. Is that where he lives? No, he's in Ottawa.
Yeah. This is the ferry. No, this is not the ferry. Roamlndr Ferry, Port Angeles Ferry. Next, right. Are we gonna be able to sleep here? Yeah. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, yeah. Pretty closed.
Turn around. Why there? So we've decided to just boogie on down south. The weather's been pretty crap, and winter just kind of went winter, and that's what it said. It was like, winter. And it's really cold, and we don't have any heating in the van yet, so we've had a few pretty cold nights, and we're like, cold, wet, that's not what we're here for. So we are currently sitting in the parking lot for the ferry that will take us to Port Angeles, Washington. So we will be in Washington within the day. The morning, yeah. We'll be there before lunch. We're just going to end this video right here because we're not going to be in Canada as of later on today. So
See you later.
see you later. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more adventure, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any really wonderful comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. So until next time, remember to keep on roaming. Later, folks.